Epok Karipap, Malaysian curry puff pie. Dough. Combine the following and knead the following with your fingers or a dough hook attachment on your mixer until soft, pliable and non-sticky. 300 grams flour. Half a teaspoon salt. Half cup lukewarm water. 1 small beaten egg. 1 tablespoon of oil. Divide and roll into 2 equal balls, then cover, otherwise it will dry out, and leave to rest for 30 minutes. Grease dough. Knead 75 grams softened butter into 150 grams flour until shiny and smooth. I used to do the short crust pastry thing by cutting in cold butter cubes, but I've discovered room temperature butter actually works much better. Divide and roll into 2 equal balls. Curried potato filling. Finely chop, blend these together and saute in a little bit of oil over medium heat until fragrant. 1 large onion. 2 garlic cloves. 2 dried chilies, soaked. Add and stir until well combined. 2 tablespoons good curry powder, I like Bubba's. 3 large potatoes, cut into small cubes. Salt and sugar to taste. About 1 cup water. Optional, a sprinkling of curry leaves if you have it. Simmer, stirring occasionally until all moisture is absorbed and potatoes are tender. Leave to cool thoroughly before using. Enclose 1 ball of greased dough neatly in a ball of water dough. On a lightly floured surface, roll out into a very thin oval with a rolling pin. Then roll up tightly from one end to the other like a Swiss roll. Turn the rolled up tube 90 degrees, so one end faces you, and repeat the previous step. Flatten it thinly again lengthwise into a long oval, then roll up tightly like a Swiss roll. With a sharp knife, slice into 1 cm discs, or thicker if making larger puffs. The spiral layer should be clearly visible. Flatten each disc into a thin circle with a rolling pin, as thin as you can get it without the layers splitting apart. Place the rolled out pastry onto a curry puff mold, or use your palm if you don't have one. Fill with just enough curried potato in the middle, not too much or it will burst. Fold the mold over carefully to enclose, peeling off any excess pastry from the sides. If you prefer to crimp manually, pinch the edges flat and fold in at a 45-degree angle to form a rope as pictured. The assembled curry puffs, 1 manually crimped, 1 made with a mold behind it. At this point the puffs can be frozen for future use if you like. Frying the curry puffs. Heat some oil over medium-high heat and deep fry the puffs, tossing continuously until golden brown. Remove with a pair of wooden chopsticks or a slotted spoon, shake off excess oil and drain on kitchen towels before serving. Enjoy.